It's in our car. Instrument to measure carbon dioxide concentration. When carbon dioxide rises above 1400 ppm, it will beep. At this point we move from the inner loop to the outer loop. Reduced carbon dioxide concentration. We operate so frequently, both can play a role in keeping the carbon dioxide concentration in the car at a relatively low level. And you can save gas to a certain extent. Let's try it. It's an internal loop. CO2 levels are now way over the limit. I need to switch from internal to external circulation now. Reduced carbon dioxide concentration. At this point, the CO2 levels have come down. I turned it back on to internal circulation to save gas.